Hello, it's Amy White with Worthy Written Words. Today we're going to be in our Doctrine and Covenants, and we're going to be tuned into section 19, verse 38. And today we're going to be working on this treasures kit. It's called Count Your Blessings. So the first thing we're going to do is put some stickers along the footnotes of the page, and it's put in a way that you can choose whatever ones you like and whatever ones you prefer to use. And every few along the bottom, we're going to add a pop dot to it so that it's up off the page as opposed to the ones below it. Now I'm going to use Glossy Accents by Ranger. It comes in various sizes, and I'm going to use this on all of the crystals and the gems. And I'm going to first outline the sticker and then go back and fill it in. And that way it keeps all of it on the sticker where you want it. And I'm doing every single one, whether it's on a pop dot or not on a pop dot. And you'll see here that I end up switching to my big bottle of it because it's a lot of Glossy Accents that is used on this page. But it's all the same, and you can get it in a hardware store. Here I'm using scissors to lift up my sticker from sticking to the Glossy Accents underneath it. So that's what that's all about. And when it dries, it looks like this. And it can take anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight to dry, depending on what material you're using it on. I've gone and added a few more stickers, and I've also outlined God's blessings as well as the verse in metallic jelly roll colors, blue and green. After I add the header sticker to the top, I'm going to use more jelly roll metallics in purple and red, and I'm going to outline verse 26, the important parts, because it kind of goes along with what this story is, what this page is all about sacrificing to help build the kingdom of God, which is what Martin Harris had to do. And then when that's done, I'm going to take the tip in that comes in the kit, and using some of the quotes from the Come Follow Me in the church outline, I'm adding some of the context to this section so that I understand what's going on and what it is that I'm journaling about. So I write that at the bottom, and then you can kind of see, I'm going to pause it here. If you want to copy that, you can see what it is that I wrote. And then when I'm done with that, I flip it over, and using purple and blue jelly roll metallics, I'm filling out this question, how it relates to me in my life, because these are my personal scriptures that I'm showing you. So I fill that out, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to attach it. Well, first, I'm going to actually do some Glossy Accents over some of the jewels. I didn't do all of them. I just did, I think, 3 of them. I chose 3 of them. And I put Glossy Accents on them. And when I've got that how I like it, then I'm going to set it aside and let that dry again for at least 30 minutes or maybe more. And now, using the paper clip and the ribbon, I'm going to fold the ribbon in half and stick it in the side and then up through the top, if you can see that. And then stick the 2 ends through the hole that I've created and pull up. And that's how you can make a generic ribbon paperclip bookmark on any paperclip. And after I've got it, it kind of messed with the shape when I pulled up, and so it's kind of easier if you squeeze the sides together when you pull up of the ribbon. But after I get the paper clip reshaped how I want it, I'm going to overlap the two ribbons, fold them in half, and then cut up at a diagonal from the fold up to the corners, and that's going to create a V shape on my ribbon. Use sharper scissors than I'm using and you'll have better results. And you can see that that now has like a flag top to them. And when you have ribbon and you cut it, then there's always a chance that it could fray. And so in order to stop the ribbon from fraying over time, I'm using a product called Fray Block, and I just got this at a local craft store. Walmart might even have it, and I just use it on the ends of the ribbon. It's a drippy liquid, and it will harden the edges of the ribbon without ruining the look of it. It'll dry clear, and you won't even see it. Put that on the top of my page, and because of the shape of this paper clip, I actually added some washi tape to the back of the paper clip to kind of keep it in place because it's super, super small. But I just did the very, very center of the paper clip on the back side, so it could easily fall off if it's not more stable. So after I have the paper clip on, then I'm going to add the washi tape to my tip in the margin, and I put it in a place where I think it looks good, and then I set it down. And that's it, we're done. I'll see you guys next time.